White House, the little town we're in, which is why we're White House Nursery, is 20 miles from Baltimore, New York, up Falls Road. It used to be more country. We are still in a semi-country area, I consider it, but we are close to heavy populated areas. My mother-in-law and father-in-law started a greenhouse business with their son, Ted, and that's my husband. And that was in 1974 when they started. They started growing plants. They rented a greenhouse nearby. I started in 1979 here as an employee. Been here ever since. And originally it was started with one greenhouse, ground to ground, to two. Then they added the gutter connected houses. In this house, keeping perennials the right temperature is important. So the sidewalls, as you can see, drop down. They're set on thermostats. So at different times of year, so we keep it different temperatures. But it's, I'll call it free cooling, no fee to cool the air. The sides drop down. The roofs also open up. That's why those curved pipes are up there.
Okay.
That helps the roofs open up when the temperatures call for that. Great. Up in this house, we've got a lot of perennials that we're growing that are pre-ordered. Some are going to Baltimore Green Space. Years have gone by, the facilities have gotten older, and our heating systems weren't as efficient. We either needed to close it down or help the next generation. And in order to do that, energy efficiency was, greenhouses need good energy.
You already had the energy audit in place, and we were the ones that kind of came in and were able to help you with the implementation of it. So part of the NSAVE energy audit said that we would be changing the traditional incandescent light to LEDs that you see here, so just more energy efficient lighting.
We're looking at a 93% efficient propane heater, and this is very helpful for us because we were running around 70% efficiency on our older old burner. So the propane just burns a lot cleaner, and it's a great thing to have, just the cost reduction and having cleaner air.
The next project we're working with White House Nurseries on under energy efficient ag operations is the installation of some retractable greenhouse roof vents.
So what happens is it just lets all the cool air in if the wind's blowing, or if it's as hot here, it'll draft its way out. And so that will put our temperature where we need it. There's wind sensors on it, so if the wind comes up too much, it'll automatically shut. There's rain sensors on it that will close it. The system works very well.
Everybody from the NRCS was very supportive and very helpful, and able to guide us. Well, we can do this, so we can't do this, and here's how we can help, and what is it that you need, and what are you trying to accomplish, and They were able to help give us good vision so we could focus. We're getting to a point where we want to think about slowing down. So enter the third generation. One of four. My sister is a reading specialist, and I have two brothers. But I always say I grew up here. I went to school for landscape architecture. But my love really was in the greenhouse.